welcome back to Pressurelicious. My name is Tresha Bharti and welcome back to episode number 5 of Dates Gone Wrong. And it also happens to be my birthday, and this is the reason why I started this episodic on my channel, because I wanted to celebrate my entire week with you guys. And that's why I'm all decked up, looking gorgeous. The episode number 5, Valentine's date gone horrendously wrong. So it was college first year. It was my first ever official relationship or lovey-dovey mushy sort of relationship. That was my first ever official boyfriend in college first year, and we didn't go to the same college, but it was a nice relationship anyway. Jumping into the story, it was Valentine's Day. It was first ever Valentine's Day that I was going to celebrate with my boyfriend. So I wanted it to be like super special. He picked me up from my college. The plan was me, my boyfriend's friend, and his girlfriend. So all 4 of us were going to go on a double date. So he picked me up from college. He drove, he picked his friend up. Then we drove to Gurgaon to pick up his friend's girlfriend. So this entire picking up, dropping thing took us 2.5 hours. I think he picked me up at, let's say, 10ish. So now it's somewhere around 1. And I'm very hungry. Okay, I did not eat anything since morning. And I was expecting to have a nice little brunch with these guys. And I was expecting his friend and his girlfriend to be together, like traveling together, and me and my boyfriend traveling together and then meeting at a place. But no, I didn't know about this picking up scene. So after, when we picked up his friend's girlfriend, they were just, I guess, fighting or arguing about some place. And then all of us decided that we would book a place and chill there, order food and stuff. So my boyfriend's friend knew this person who had an entire apartment empty to himself. He contacted that guy and then we went to that apartment to chill at that place. Again, they were like fighting over something. I don't know what was happening. I was just so hungry that my brain had shut down. I wanted food. I just wanted food. It was 3 o'clock at that time and I was anxious, I was hungry, more like hangry. Some fight happened, my boyfriend was helping them resolve some issue, and it was just so chaotic. My brain wasn't working at all. I was so put off. And then after that, it was 4. I had to reach home by 6, so I asked my boyfriend to just drop me home. I mean, it was Valentine's Day. I did not want all that drama. I just wanted to spend some time with my boyfriend. I wanted to eat good food and just be happy about the day. How difficult was that? But no, we had to see all that drama. We did not want, at least I did not want drama. And he kind of sensed that I was angry, very, very angry. I was expecting that when he'll drop me home, he would offer me food. He would ask, hey Presha, you are hungry? Do you want to eat something? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. And he just dropped me home and I did not talk to him for a week. I was so angry at him. He did not think about me once. It was my first ever Valentine's Day with him. It was supposed to be special and it was filled with someone else's relationships drama, and I missed my food. I did not get to eat. I mean, how could you do that? एक तो मैं अपना डेडलाइन एक्सीड करके बहाने मार के अपने घर से निकली हूँ अपने बॉयफ्रेंड के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करने के लिए, और मुझे मिलता क्या है, 3 घंटा गाड़ी में इधर उधर घूमो, लोगों को पिक करो, नॉट लोगों को बट फ्रेंड्स को पिक करो, और फिर उसके बाद वहाँ पे ड्रामा शुरू हो जाए, और फिर उसके बाद तुम्हें खाना भी ना मिले, और फिर उसके बाद तुम घर आ जाओ. मैं क्यों बहाना मार के गई थी फिर, अगर यही करना था तो. That was a bad Valentine's Day, and it was supposed to be a good one. And I was a teenager, so I was kiddish. I did believe in Valentine's Day. I did believe in one day supposed to be special for the loved one and stuff. I did believe in that concept. So it It was a big deal for me, a big deal. And cherry on top, all this drama, absolutely no food for Presha. Presha is super hungry. My boyfriend didn't get me one rose. I mean, boy, I'm your girlfriend, okay? You get me a rose. It's Valentine's Day. I'm not expecting gifts or anything, but I do expect a rose. I have seen Bollywood movies. So, no, you cannot just turn up on a Valentine's date empty handed. Get me a rose. It was supposed to be unsaid, but he didn't get me nothing. No food, no rose, only drama, and that was it to my supposedly special day. Which brings us to the end of episode number 5 of Dates Gone Wrong. I hope you guys liked this story. I really enjoyed sharing my story with you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow with episode number 6 of Dates Gone Wrong. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and that's it. Stay safe. I love you. Bye.
If I could make you see more